Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to catch the Azul Crab in Fish It. So this fish or this crab is part of the quest that you need to complete if you want to get the free bait skin, the Nautical Trinket. And to catch this fish, first just head over to the Planetary Observatory. But remember the Azul Crab only spawns at the storm weather, like this. This one, the Azul Crab. So just fishing during the storm weather. Otherwise it won't appear. And since this is a legendary tier fish, you'll need a bass rod. I recommend using at least the casting rod or even the bamboo rod if that's your best available options. And after that, just keep fishing patiently and you will get this Azul Crab. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you!